Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the parent Google account that created the Family Link profile. This is required to change supervision. Next, make sure the child device and parent device are charged and on stable Wi-Fi so nothing times out during verification. Back up any photos, contacts, or app data to Google Drive or locally, because removing supervision can change access. Once done, open the Family Link app on your parent device and tap the child profile to begin the removal workflow. Now continue by selecting the child profile inside Family Link and tapping Manage Settings. Choose Account Info or Supervision and look for Remove or Stop Supervision. Google will require you to authenticate with the parent account password and often a two-step verification code. Provide that code and wait for the service to process the request. Make sure the child device is nearby. You may need to accept a prompt or enter the child's device password to finalize. Once the app reports removal started, monitor both devices. To finish, confirm in the Family Link app that the child profile no longer shows as supervised and check the child device for a normal Google account sign-in screen. If the process stalls, sign out and reinstall Family Link on the parent device and repeat the removal flow. Also review device settings for residual permissions to revoke. If removal still fails, contact Google support using your parent account. Explain the steps you took and provide verification details so they can resolve account-level issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.